Hey, good morning everyone. So I got a lot more work done on the interior of the rocket tank here, the T-60 modification. So got a lot of the interior done, so well basically it is finished. I only got to do the exhaust pipe which attaches to the top part here. And it's got a little hole there that it attaches to. And then you can put the exhaust pipe on the back of that. The top part's pretty simple, it's just got a couple of little dial things there, so not much, but look how awesome it comes up. Now of course there's nothing in these rear boxes here, so they don't have any interior. So it's a Miniart half interior. And that's what it looks like. So I added a few washers. So I used this wash here, enamel wash, and I also used a black wash on the engine. That should do the trick, I reckon, because you won't see too much. I accidentally dry brushed a bit of metal on the seat there, so I've got to repaint that leather. But that's about it. So now we can work on the exterior. Start putting the exterior parts together. But next thing I'll install is the top part here. And then that can be seen only through the hatches. Alright my friend, a quick update on the progress. I'll speak to you again very soon.